Let me show you the system advantage of combining the guide rail square with a parallel guide to create what turns out to be the ultimate cross-cutting machine. We have a pre-cut piece that is parallel and square, 8 foot long, 12 inches wide, and we're going to cut that into 18-inch shelf sections. With the parallel guide attached to the guide rail square, we can now just set the pre-calibrated calibration rod and adjust the cursor to the 18 inches that we want as a cut length. So we move the arm down and we slide this over and we're good to go. All right, we're ready to make a cut. Now for the moment of truth. 5 identical square and parallel pieces. And this is made possible by the combination of the patented parallel guide along with the patented guide rail square. And in unison, they create a workflow that will revolutionize the way you perform multiple crosscuts like this.